The Krishna's Rupa Madhurya, Leela Madhurya. He's Leela Madhurya. He has so many different Leelas and all very sweet. And his prema is superior. So because Krishna has all these superior sweetnesses, and his devotees are experiencing all these different sweetnesses in Ras, and the Vrindavan Dham is where all this is experienced. So to live in Vrindavan Dham and worship Radha and Krishna Madhurya Ras is the highest possible rasa that any bhakta could worship. The highest possible expression or form of Bhagavan is Bhagavan Sri Krishna in Vrindavan. And the highest possible rati or ras by which one can worship Krishna is Krishna in Vrindavan and Madhurya Ras. Parikiya Bhav, the unmarried or amorous paramore love of the gopis of Vrindavan. Aradhya Bhagavan Brajesha Tanyos Taddhamam Vrindavanam. There's one great devotee in Advaita Parivar, one of our great acharyas. He was initiated directly by Sri Advaita Acharya. His name is Srinath Chakravarti. This verse is in Prabhupada's Shloka book also. And he wrote this verse to summarize the sadhya and sadhana, the practices of sadhana, sadhana bhakti practices, and the goal of Gaudiya Vaishnavism. You know this verse? Bolo. Jor say, slow. Aradhya Bhagavan, with all nice sounds. He's a South Indian Sanskrit person, you know. Father's a Pandit. All proper Sanskrit. This is some Nakli type. Aradhya Bhagavan. Nice, loud, we want to hear nice.
Aradhya Bhagavan Vrajesha Tanayas Tathama Vrindavanam Ramya Kvachitipasana Vrajavadhur Sakal Pita.
No. Vrajavadhur Kalpita.
Sakal Pita.
Sakalpita.
Srimad Bhagavatam Puranam Valam Prema Pumarto Mahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhum Matamidam Natra To Ardara.
Exactly, very nice, thank you. Sagarji, Pandit Sagar. So this verse says everything. Aradhya Bhagavan Vrajesha Tanayos. Aradhya means Radhana, worship. Aradhya Dev, our worshipable Ishtadevata, the God we worship. Aradhya Bhagavan, we worship Bhagavan. Aradhya Bhagavan Vrajesha Tanayos. Tanayo, Tanu means body, Tanu means son. Brajesh, the king of Braj, Brajesha Tanayo. The son of the king of Braj means Brajendra Nandan. Nandanandan, Sri Krishna. So in this verse we establish our sadhya. Our sadhya is we worship Krishna Vrindavan. Not Jagannath, not Balaram, not Subhadra, not Nrsingadev, not Sita Ram, Lakshman Hanuman, not Shalagram, not, whoever, I don't know, so many, whoever, all out there. This is Gaudiya Vaishnava, this verse is written during the time of Lord Chaitanya by direct disciple of Advaita Acharya, who associated also with Lord Chaitanya, and under the inspiration of Sri Advaita Acharya, he summarized the entire Siddhanta, practice, sadhana, and Siddhanta of Gaudiya Vaishnava philosophy and sampradaya. Aradhya Bhagavan Brajesha Tanayos. Then he said, Taddhamam Vrindavanam. Taddhamam Vrindavanam. Taddham. That Dham, Taddhamam Vrindavanam. We want to go there. We don't want to go to Ayodhya. We don't want to go to Jagannath Puri. We don't want to go to Navadvip. We don't want to go to Mayapur. We don't want to go to Chitrakoot. We don't want to go to Panchavati. We don't want to go to, where's that place? Hanuman's place. Kinnar, was it? No, there's some place in South India, some forest he jumped around in.
Kishkinda.
Yeah, we don't want to Kishikinda. We don't want to go any of those places. Vrindavana Dhamma Para. Vrindavana Dhamma Para.